Mastering offers. How about we role play? Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the art of making offers, specifically using the phrase, how about? Are you ready to engage in some exciting role-play scenarios and boost your language skills? Let's get started. To make offers or suggestions in English, we often use the phrase, how about? It's a friendly, informal way to suggest something. For example, how about we go to the movies? Or, how about I help you with your homework? Now, let's dive deeper and get into some role play. Let's imagine you're planning a weekend getaway with your friend. 1. You. How about we go to the beach this weekend? 2. Your friend. That sounds like a great idea. What should we bring? 3. You. How about we each bring a couple of sandwiches and some drinks? This way, you are using how about to propose ideas for your weekend plans. Now let's envision you're organizing a study group with your classmates. 1. You. How about we meet at the library tomorrow for the group study? 2. Classmate. Sure. What time do you suggest? 3. You. How about we meet at 4 p.m.? It will give us enough time to study before it gets too late. This scenario uses how about to suggest a location and time for the study group. In this role play, you are at work and you see a coworker struggling with a task. 1. You. You seem to be having a hard time with that report. How about I help you out? 2. Coworker. Really? That would be great. I'm having trouble with the financial section. 3. You. No problem. How about we go through it together after lunch? Here, how about is used to offer help and suggest a solution to a problem. There you have it. How about is a versatile phrase that can help you make offers and suggestions in a friendly and informal way. Try to incorporate it into your everyday conversations and see how it enhances your communication skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, how about we meet again in our next video? Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.